Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Today I'm going to be opening up my July mystery kit from Scribble Prints Co. This is a very cute little sticker. I started to open it and then I was like, you know what, let's do a true reveal and get it all on camera. So spring into sticker fun. This looks like really sweet summery art. Looks like Kitness Jess. So we're just going to get ahead and open it up. The sticker is very tough. Okay, let's see. I've never really struggled this much opening a package, but there we go. Okay, so now, all right, so here she is. This is the July 2025 mystery. It's called Royal Court, and I'm going to, and this is the Gilded, and it looks like it's in champagne lights, which is very cool. So let's get into this. When you order the mystery, you get just this kit and this. You don't get anything else. So if anyone is interested, all right, so let's get into the kit. So we have this beautiful royal art. I'm going to use this for the Renaissance Festival this year. I go every year with my husband. And so this is actually perfect for that. We've got some deco and some date numbers and some functional end pieces. We've got two other really fun Ren Fair Royal Court full boxes. We have these like beautiful little mini and rounded boxes. We've got some great patterns. So like the red hearts on the crests. That's really pretty, the sparkle. So these are the patterns. These are the colors. I love the jewel tones. They're stunning. This was actually the color of my bridesmaid's dress, my wedding. You have this beautiful castle scene with this very small but very pretty date covers and these solid patterns. And then you have this tall box with different fashion people, and then this is Doodle 1. So this is a really nice, or actually it's not Doodle. Is it just Doodle 1 or is it like a mix of Doodle 1 and Doodle 2? I'm not sure. I'd have to go back and check. So there are also add-ons for this that she also sells. But I think this kit is pretty full. It's a lot of pages. And then you get the foil bundle. So this is Champagne Lights. And this is her newest format. It's called Gilded. The other mystery kit that I did a video for was also gilded, but it was matte silver. So this is very pretty in the gilded. So you've got 2 pages of full boxes with headers. You have some underlays, which are, this is a very basic like glittery pattern. So you get 2 of those, and then what I'm most excited about are these new scripts that she has. So this is like a really fun bold font with it's much smaller, which is really nice. So you get a lot more scripts, and then you have these beautiful little mini icons. They don't really repeat though, so that's the only thing I really like Hannah's, because they do repeat, so you get 2 sets of those minis, and I think that's super helpful. But you have this really pretty bow pattern and the gilded, and then you have whole reinforcers and different champagne lights date dots. I'm probably going to use the ones that came with the kit, honestly, because I do have other champagne light bundles that I could use this with. So anyway, I was considering doing an alternative foil bundle for this to go that more Renaissance fair look, but because there's so many patterns, I actually feel like I need to stick with a more simple foil bundle. But let me know in the comments, are there any colors or different things that you would want to pair with this? Let me know if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. But anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Take care.